welcome to my channel. Arculus Shiba Inu is now accepted as payment by Nasdaq listed company Arculus Cold Storage Wallet can now be purchased with Shiba Inu SPY. Arculus, a Web3-enabled cold storage wallet, is partnering with BitPay, a leading crypto payment gateway, to accept crypto payments. Users can now buy Arculus cards using 13 top cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu Shiba and Dogecoin developed by fintech firm Composecure. Arculus allows users to secure crypto and NFTs, offering fee-free transactions for 6 different cryptocurrencies. Notably, it natively supports Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Ripple Cash blockchains. BitPay's adoption of SHIB has attracted major retailers like Newegg, Nordstrom, GameStop, AMC, and Menufy. Meanwhile, BitMEX introduces new SHIB and Bone perpetual contracts with high leverage. Recent data shows a significant withdrawal of SHIB tokens from exchanges, indicating a long-term holding trend among investors. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.